All right, y'all, about to step into the Banana Republic factory outlet store. See what the hell, how you doing? See what they have in here today. Haven't been in here in a while. It's been years since I shopped Banana Republic, but we're gonna check out some of these men's styles that they have for this fall winter season. All right, we're gonna start off here in this section. It seems to have 50% off just about everything. Came across these navy blue corduroy pants. Got a real thin corduroy pattern. I like these a lot. This is more like a jeans kind of cut. It's a regular, okay, slim pants. Yeah, I like this one. I've seen a couple other colors. Yeah. Also have this same corduroy pants in a brown. And right next to that, there's an olive too. It's a real thin corduroy pattern. Yeah, I like these. Ooh, this jacket is sweet. This olive bomber style. I don't even know what's the material on here. This is like I don't know. What is it? What does it say? We're gonna check this out. This is nice. Polyester, okay. This is dope. 50% off of 160. So it's 160 at 50% off. Coming back, I saw this other color. It's a nice deep purple. This is different on the corduroy pants, and these are $100. And I asked the sales associate, yes, everything is 50% off. So the entire store is 50% off. Oh, this is a nice corduroy coat too. How much is this? This is $140 at 50% off. And I remember, this is before Black Friday, so come in, start getting your holiday shopping together before everything is all gone. And this is a nice kind of rusty brown to the green jacket we just saw a second ago, $160. Nice bomber style jacket. Kind of have that a little, you know, that cow skin leather look to it. It's nice. It's not a high grain. It's a real flat, but this is nice. It's another color. This is a blue to the brown in the corduroy jacket shirt. These are real popular these days. I like this print where it looks like a pocket in the front, but it's not. The pocket's actually inside where you can see the stitch from the outside. You got the two lower pockets. Like this black jacket right here, this is $220. It's all 50% off once again. Button down the fly and zip down, keep it nice and tucked in. Water resistant, not waterproof. Nice hood. It's a good jacket right here. They have some more casual clothes over here. Got some button downs. I like the pattern on this. This is cool. This is $80. Nice little linen slacks, elastic waist, $85. Not bad. Okay, it's another kind of jacket shirt. This is pretty heavy, $110. So it's a small button down. Just wear a light t-shirt underneath. Throw this over the top. Nice pair of boots and jeans. There you go. You don't really necessarily probably, just for a cool night, it's not too cold. You don't want to put a jacket on top. You'll be pretty hot, I think, if you put a jacket on top of this. So fall night, not winter night. Okay, and they also have them in a few more colors over here. We have a light gray, navy, and more of a charcoal gray. And right here on the table, they say men's Warm, lofty crew sweaters, $30. This is a real nice feel to it. So all of these are $30. Got a brown, gray. We also have some flannels over here. This is $75 for the flannel. And some 3-button kind of thermal tops. And these are 60 bucks. So it's really 30 because it's 50% off everything. It's another like jacket shirt in a different style, which is 180. This feels real nice. It's a real nice fabric on this. Has a little zip pocket, got 4 pockets on the chest, big buttons. Yeah, this is real sweet. Add a few long sleeves to go with it underneath. And these trousers right here are nice. It's thin waist, got a elastic waist. It says a slim cut. These are 100 with additional 50% off. And we have some button down corduroy tops. These are 80. It says slim untucked. So that means it drops probably right at the waist. It's not a long cut. It's not cropped, but it's just not long. It's a nice rusty orange color. Also have an olive green. Got a beige, a light beige, a blue, and then we have a brown. So got a good variety of colors. We got these nice quilted print zip down jackets. These are 120. You see, you got the brown in the collar. You roll it down and keep it zipped up. This is a different print. I've never seen a pattern like this on the jacket. And we got a few different colors. We got a navy, have a wine. These ones are quarter zip. That one zipped down all the way. The black one zipped down all the way. Okay, and this is a black and a quarter zip also. Then we also have some more colors over here. Have an olive and a quarter zip, which is real nice. And then this gray, brownish tone, also in a quarter zip, and these are 90 and 50% off once again. Oh, I like this. I like this color. Has a grayish kind of undertone to it. The beige, the quilted pattern. This is real different. This is nice. 90 bucks at 50% off. I came across this nice light beige and the corduroy pants. Decided to break out my corduroy pants today. These ones are actually from Uniqlo. I didn't do the video when I went and picked these up. Missed that one. I actually doubled back in, grabbed these for like, I think it was 40 bucks. And I'm wearing my Jordan 1 High Palominos. These are nice, loose, baggy fit. I'm gonna go back and grab a couple more pairs of these. Over here, got some nice striped sweaters. So nice, about a medium waist sweater, 90 bucks. It's $90 at 50% off. It's a nice green. Got a little rib pattern, olive shirt. This is 40 bucks, so it's a nice $20 shirt. Not bad. Right next to that, got a nice kind of charcoal gray button down. $80. I like this. Has a denim feel to it. No, wash black. Nice. Oh, I like this. Nice quilted pattern. Corduroy on the collar. 170 and 50% off. Sweet. This is a nice jacket right here. A little too much for where I'm at, but this is dope. Kind of long. Nice. It's a nice shirt too. A nice, thick, I think we seen one a little while ago in the green. Same color, 40 bucks. Yeah, these shirts are real nice. Got a nice brown linen slacks to match. It's a nice fit together. All right, over here, it's a nice, it's like Pico light sweater. This is pretty heavy. This is 130. It's nice. Nice wool-like fabric on the pants to match. Nice, nice, nice. And then complete the fit. Nice brown. 95 bucks. Oh, I didn't get the price on these. These are 120. It's 120, extra 50% off. Oh, I love the color on this shirt. This is a nice shirt. It's a nice undershirt, 40 bucks, 50% off. Nice soft cotton, stretchy material. Nice, we got a few colors. Got a white, got a nice wine, a brown, got a navy. These are, it's a nice polo. Oh, these are long sleeve, 3-button polos. Nice. This is the fit right here. See on the mannequin. See how they look. Nice. Put the T underneath. More long sleeves. This is 90 bucks. Got a nice long coat style. Vegan suede overshirts. Okay. Okay, not the vegan suede. And these are 60% off for the vegan suede overshirts. Not bad. And these are 90 bucks at 60% off for the vegan suede overshirts. These are dope. I like this. I like this blue a lot. I might have to get me one of these. Probably go with a brown though. $60? This is sweet. Yeah, I might have to get one of these. Ooh, I just spotted this. Nice suede suede material, kind of 180. It's a nice jacket. All right, y'all. That's it for the Banana Republic outlet. 50% off everything at the Orlando Premium Outlets on International Drive. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also hype the video up once you like it.